oil powerhouse. There's a few tanks there with some waste vegetable oil in them, unfiltered. This is the smokestack. It baffles quite nicely with the brick. And that gray box on the outside is the air intake. And over here we have the coal stoker, which supplies hot water to the house and shop, and also hot water to the veg oil powerhouse. So it can be minus 40 and I can still start this thing up on veg oil. That's really good. This is the inside of the unit. We have a heat exchanger here that exchanges heat from the coal stoker to the engine, or when the engine's running, supplies extra heat to the house. And there's the valving set up there. The panel down here. We've got a 5 kilowatt load, that little red heater there. And these two tanks are veg oil. There's an unfiltered tank over there, and this is the filtered oil. This is a centrifuge I built that takes out the small bits that the 10 micron filter can't take out, and it actually gets really full of very fine crud. And of course the tanks are heated with glycol from the coal stoker. Let's come up over here to the manifold and back down under the ground. This is a 12 kilowatt single phase generator, 120 240 volts, made in China, 500 bucks. The pulley just about costs as much. It's made here by a retired machinist. And this is the engine. It's called a Redstone 22 horsepower diesel engine. I still got to put a puke tank for the coolant and everything. That's coming. A few little things to do yet. It's a 5 kilowatt load on it. Hardly any smoke on vegetable oil. Most of the noise is from the air intake. It sounds like an old fishing boat. Another view of the coal stoker. Cost me $100 to run it for about 7 weeks in the dead of winter. I should weld some hooks on this coal stoker so the green piece can chain themselves up a lot easier to it without any hassle. This is the hoist I use to take the coal bin off the Isuzu Elf. A compound boat winch on the side. Works quite well. And this is my Isuzu Elf, ready to go next Friday to the coal mine. I got the bin on the back. That bin holds 5,300 pounds of coal. The Elf is rated at 2 tons. Gets 25 miles to the gallon on the highway. Pretty good truck, actually. Same thing as a GMC Forward, except it's badged with Isuzu. Isuzu builds all the GMC Forwards. Right-hand drive.